So guys, it's been a while. I'm doing bump stop replacements on the truck because obviously it's time. I got these off of eBay. They're 15 bucks each. Well, I'm sorry, 15 for the pair, or 18. I'm not even sure. Okay, using a 5/8 socket, deep socket, because the metal passes through there. That's where they go actually, and just screws in through the top like this. So it's kind of a pain in the ass because you have all these wires. The way I did it is that I put my arm through here, through the side, through the top side, and then through the bottom here to hold down the socket from popping out. I do recommend to pop out or loosen it up with the ratchet and then put in your power ratchet. This is just only the driver's side, as you gotta do the passenger. When I finish, I'll go ahead and show you guys how it came out. And there you go guys, that's how it goes. Goes into the top, through here, there's a little hole right here, the little bracket, and between the bracket, that's where that little nut goes in. So I can get a close up of that. I don't know if it's showing, but it's right here. And it took me like about 5 minutes to do one. Now I gotta do it the passenger side. So I mean, it was a good buy, you know. It's to prevent the axle hitting the frame. That's what it's for. It's very easy to do. It takes about 10 15 minutes. 5/8 socket. Yeah, it's a 5/8 socket, deep socket at that. This side is so much easier, the passenger side. This is the part that I hate, trying to find the fucking nut. Let's try it right there. There you go. The trick is just finding where the nut is at with the socket, because you can't really see above this. That's the only thing, but it's that simple. Super easy to do.